The atom I chose is nitrogen trifluoride. This is the nitrogen. These are the three fluorides. The molecular geometry is trigonal pyramidal, and the geometric arrangement is tetrahedral. The bond angles are different between the VSEPR and the quantum mechanics because repulsions from lone pairs aren't taken into account on the VSEPR model, which is the one you're looking at. The quantum mechanic model has the greater energy and is less stable because it's more negative potential energy surface, and the quantum mechanic also has a greater dipole moment because the lone pair repulsion creates more polarity. And you can see the dipole moment here is shorter, whereas it'd come down to right here on the quantum mechanic model.